Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new chapter of our book Pebbles of Grammar of Class 3 of Galaxy Publications. So let's begin with the chapter number 12, that is Present Continuous Tense. Now let's read the chapter. We use the present continuous tense to talk about something that happens at the time of स्पीकिंग. तो हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस को कब यूज़ करते हैं? वी यूज़ इट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग विच इज़ एक्चुअली हैपनिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम रीडिंग अ बुक. सो हेयर आई एम रीडिंग इज़ द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. द बेबी इज़ स्लीपिंग. द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग. ओके, वी यूज़ am with I. We are using is with the baby since it is the present continuous tense, that is why we are using is. The children are playing. Why we are using are? Because children is a plural noun. Okay. The present continuous tense is made from the present tense of be verb. तो present continuous tense जो है वो हमारे be verb से form होता है और be verb हमने पहले भी simple present tense में पढ़े थे और वो होते हैं is, are, am एंड उसके साथ साथ हम ing को जो है मेन वर्ब के साथ अटैच करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन सी read, read is the main verb and we have added ing to it, hence it turns out to be the continuous tense, present continuous tense. Examples, I am doing my work, you are working, the sun is shining, and so on. If we read further, now the fourth example is we are going to the school, they are playing football, she is sleeping. So these all are examples of present continuous tense. They have been formed from present tense of be along with ing with the main verb. Now if you study this table, you will become more clear with the idea of present continuous tense. He is playing, or for a girl you can use she is playing, or with a thing or an animal you can use it is playing. Similarly, you, we and they. With the plural pronouns we can write you are playing, we are playing, they are playing. Next is I. We will use always am along with I. I am playing. The boy is playing, the girl is playing, the dog is playing. When we go for plural nouns, the boys are playing, the girls are playing, and the dogs are playing. So this is how the table helps you to understand what is a present continuous tense. Now let's move to the next page. On the next page we have some verbs end in E. Now there are certain verbs which are ending with the word E. We drop the E and add ing. We will remove this E and what we will add? Ing to it. So if you see the first example, they have mentioned over here leave. When we are removing E here, the word becomes leaving. Similarly, in dance, it changes into dancing. Come becomes coming. Take will change into taking. Weave will change into weaving, and write will change into writing. Some verbs end in ie. Now there are certain words which will end with ie. The change, what will be the change? ie will be changed to y and ing will also be added to it to make it into present continuous tense. tie, tie changes into time and the spelling also changes, tying. Lie, lie, it changes into lying, line. In some verbs, we double the last letter and add ing. कुछ verbs में हम उसके last letter को double कर देते हैं और फिर उसमें ing add करते हैं so that we can make it into present continuous tense. For example, swim, swim. Swim changes into swimming. SWIMMING, swimming. Run changes into RUNNING, running. BEGIN, begin, it changes into BEGINNING. Then we make questions by putting am, is और are in front of the subject. अगर हम subject से पहले is, are या am को put करें तो हम questions बना सकते हैं. We can make questions. Now this is the structure how you will make. You will write is, then the subject and ing form of the verb. For example, they have mentioned over here the first example. Are you weeping? Are is the what? It is the helping verb or the be verb. You is the subject and weeping is our verb along with ing. Then the second example. Is he coming to your party? Okay. And important thing about the question is you will always put a question mark at the end. We make negatives by putting not after is, am or are. जब हमें negative sentences बनाने हैं तो what we will do is we will put not. और कहाँ लगाएंगे हम not को? is, am या are के बाद में. तो आपका structure कैसा बनेगा? Subject आपका पहले आएगा, then is, am, are plus not and then verb along with ing. For example, I am not going to school. Okay, I am not. Questions form में am पहले आता है और subject हमारा बाद में आता है. Whereas negatives में पहले subject फिर हमारा helping verb आएगा हमारे not word के साथ और फिर rest of the sentence along with the verb and ing. Second sentence, they are not coming to the party. She is not going to home. The dog is not barking loudly. So this is all with the explanation. Let's move to the exercise part. The first question says, fill in the blanks with is, am, are plus ing form of verb given in the brackets. That means they have mentioned the verb here. We have to add ing to it. Along with we are using the helping verb is, am and are. I dash a kite. Now we should always remember, as I told you earlier also, that we use am along with I. तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ लिखेंगे I am. Now fly word को यूज करना है, हम यहाँ लिखेंगे flying. I am flying a kite. Second, he dash tennis. Play को यूज करना है तो he is playing tennis. She is baking a cake. The dog is chewing, chewing a bone. Mona is make, तो इसका बन जाएगा MAKING. Mona is making a bouquet for grandma. The last one, on this page, we dash for a walk. Now since we is a plural pronoun, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? We are going for a walk. Let's move to the now next page. The seventh part on the next page says, she dashed on a couch. Sleep is the verb, and what is the helping verb that we will use here? She is. Sleep हमारा change हो जाएगा sleeping में. She is sleeping on a couch. Meena is talking to her friend. Meena is talking to her friend. The children क्योंकि हमारा प्लूरल है तो पहले हम यहाँ लिख दें कि यहाँ आर आएगा. The children are. Swim changes into swimming. SWIMMING. The children are swimming in a pond. They are flying kites. So this was the last sentence of the question A. Let's now move to question number B. In question number B, the question says, look at the examples and change these statements to questions. हमें इन examples को देखना है और जैसे कि इन examples में हमने statement को question form में change किया है, similarly we have to do the same for these 5 sentences. So the first statement they have given as example is, the baby is sleeping. Question form में क्या होगा? ये is हमारा change होके first word बन जाएगा और the baby बाद में लिखा जाएगा. तो sentence change होके question form में बन गया, is the baby sleeping, and the question mark has been put at the last. They are playing chess. Are they playing chess? So this is the question form of the statement. Now similarly, let's do the other statements. The cat is chasing the mouse. So what will be the question form? Is the cat chasing the mouse? So we are asking the question, is the cat chasing the mouse? Don't forget to put a question mark at the last. The dogs are barking. Again this question will begin with are. Are the dogs barking? Next, the stars are twinkling. So we will begin with, are the stars twinkling? Then the next sentence, grandma is praying in the temple. Now this sentence will again begin with is. Is grandma praying in the temple? Then the last sentence, it is raining heavily. तो ये चेंज होके क्या बन जाएगा? Is it raining heavily? So this is all about question number B. Now let's do question number C. The question number C says, look at the examples and change these statements to negatives. इन examples को देख के similarly जैसे कि ये sentences को हमने negatives में change करा हुआ है, आपको इन sentences को भी negative form में लिखना है. So let's read the examples first. Sita is singing a song. तो starting हमारे subject से ही होगी, सीता से. यहाँ पे is बन जाएगा, is not singing a song. The next example, the girls are talking. This will change into the girls are not talking. चलिए हम अपने अब बाकी questions को solve करते हैं. The boys are running. This changes into the boys are not running. Will we put a question mark? No, we will not put a question mark. You will just put a full stop. Birds are chirping. So this will change into birds are not chirping. Next sentence, elephants are trumpeting. We will write here, elephants are not trumpeting. Then the fourth sentence is, I am writing a letter. So the negative will be, I am not writing a letter. The fifth one is, he is playing a drum. तो इसका नेगेटिव बनेगा, he is not playing a drum. So is this clear to you all? I hope you have understood how the negatives are formed, how we are changing the sentences into question form, and how we change a normal sentence into a present continuous tense. All these sentences are also present continuous tense. We are using verb plus ing, and is, am, are, was and were are not used. Was and were are only used in past tense. We are just using is, are and am over here. So this was all about the chapter. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Wait for the next video.